What's up, guys? Want to show you my top tools for 2024, must-have tools that I recommend. First up is these screw-in studs that are nice for heavy BMW wheels or German cars or just German vehicles in general. Next up is this grabber tool. It's pretty cool and useful for when you drop something that's non-magnetic and you can't use a magnet to get it. So this thing is pretty cool and saves you when you're in a pinch. Next up is the bolt buster. This thing is pretty cool. It gets nuts or bolts red hot within like 30 seconds. This is actually real time, and you can see the nut get in red hot. I'm gonna take the flashlight up. See there, nice red hot, ready to crack loose. This thing is pretty nice because you can use it for where you can't use an open flame. Maybe there's like oil somewhere or oil leak. So this thing is pretty cool. It comes with different types of extensions, smaller, bigger for different size applications. Alright, you ever had an axle seize up and you tried an air hammer, you tried a regular hammer and just couldn't do it? This thing is awesome for seized axles. So what we like to do is you tighten it up a bit, and as you hammer it, it kind of breaks it loose, and then towards the end you can just use the impact and break it loose all the way. Very helpful tool, must have for sure. I want to show you guys this little ratchet. You guys probably have seen it before, maybe not, but it helps a bunch when working in tight spaces. For example, this ignition coil, there's barely any room to even get this one in, but without this little tool, probably wouldn't even be able to get it. If I get a ratchet, there's absolutely no way to even get it in there. So yeah, this tool always helps. Now this is an awesome engine table, not just for engines, but even when I need to drop a subframe for like a clutch or oil pan job. This thing is awesome and really helps out. It is kind of expensive, but if you have a shop, it's well worth it. For a few engine jobs, it might pay itself. But yeah, this thing is really cool, very helpful, very good quality and heavy duty. It's made by AGA Tools. You can check them out. They have actually quite a few cool products, from oil drain plug repairs to brake bleeders, all kinds of stuff. But yeah, it's very cool. These BMWs, the turbo engines, where you have to remove the fuel rail to get the valve cover off. And then when torquing, BMW has this nice tool to torque the injector rail. So it just slides in like that perfectly, and then you can get your torque wrench in. It makes it easy. That way you don't feel like you over tighten it or under tightened it. So sometimes it's worth to get the proper tool. Now brake lines can be quite annoying to do sometimes, and for different vehicles they might not sell lines that are ready. So you have to make your own custom lines, but this tool right here is really helpful, very nice, good quality tool, helps to make the brake lines with ease. You can see the process here. You can do the inverted flare, bubble flares, and also you can do various fuel lines and different other lines. Here I made the lines, they're ready to go, and I recommend using copper lines. They're very easy to bend, very easy to work with. And here I will show you the rusted lines that were on it, completely rusted. It's crazy. I wanted to show you guys these hood extenders. Raises the hood up so you have quite a bit of access. You can see how high it is. Normally it's pretty low and you can hit your head off the hooks here. But yeah, they just slide right on top of these, like that, on both sides. So this is a normal height. What's up, guys? So we got this Honda here. and the AC compressor is not kicking on. So we went down below and we saw it's not getting power. We gave it power, the compressor engaged. So right away we're looking at the fuses and relays, and I wanted to show you guys this awesome relay tester. So we have the AC relay here, and when I go to test it, it gives me the red light. So this relay is actually bad. I'll show you with a good relay. Click it and it's green. So this tool saves you quite a bit of time, and it's fairly affordable, and that's the problem with this AC system. Thanks for watching. Now this one is for BMW engines. It's for the Valvetronic Eccentric Shaft. And what it does is you are able to compress and decompress the spring in order to unscrew them. And this tool makes the job way easier, way faster, and it's definitely worth it. Yeah, this job is quite involved, so having the right tools makes the job go smoother. You can see all the parts that has to come off to replace the shaft. Alright, so this truck came in, AC wasn't working, so we put on the AC machine and noticed there was no Freon in. So we put some nitrogen in, and right away we see the compressor is leaking. And lastly, this is a strut mount nut remover. It has various different extensions in the kit, but a lot of different fittings, and it makes it very easy to remove the strut mount without blowing up.